Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp Desktop on your Windows PC in 2026. If you've already downloaded the WhatsApp installer, then you're ready to complete the installation in just a few simple steps. Let's begin. First, open the Downloads folder or the location where you saved the WhatsApp installer. Find the WhatsApp installer file and double-click it to start the installation process. If Windows displays a user account control message asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, simply click Yes to continue. After that, the installer will launch and begin installing WhatsApp Desktop automatically. Now, wait for a few moments while the installation is completed. During this process, Windows will copy the necessary files and set up the application on your computer. This usually takes less than a minute, depending on your PC's performance. Once the installation is finished, WhatsApp Desktop will open automatically. You'll see the welcome screen, which means the installation has been completed successfully. At this point, the application is fully installed and ready to be connected to your WhatsApp account whenever you want. If you don't want to link your account right now, that's completely fine. You can simply close the application and open it again later. Since WhatsApp Desktop is now installed on your computer, you won't need to install it again unless you uninstall the app. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, installing WhatsApp Desktop is quick, easy, and only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Windows and software tutorials. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.